coons and the ATL. Oh shit. What's up, y'all? We on our way to Kroger's to get some munchies food. That's what white people do. That's what hot people do. So us coloreds, I got to get in there. You already know what it is. Bow. I got AKA Corey with me and my chop. And we about to take this Sandy Springs snow adventure. Bow. ATL Snow 2011. The blitz, the second. I swear, y'all, if I fall, it's a wrap. Cause me and the camera going. Oh shit! This is not funny, fool. Chuck, how your shoes sticking? Oh. These cars are buried. Yay, we're in the middle of Roswell Road. Oh my God, fool! Yo, check this out. We are walking in the middle of motherfucking Roswell Road and motherfucking Buckhead, aka Sandy Springs, like some damn coons at 2 o'clock on a Monday morning.
What up? It's cold as fuck out here.
On our way to Kroger's.
We on our way to Kroger's. We on a mission. And we about to get to where we need to go. Fuck the snow.
Fuck the snow. We're in the middle of the goddamn street.
Middle of the street.
This is one of the most high traffic volume areas in Atlanta, Georgia. And right now we on this bitch. Okay? What it do, fool?
What it do?
What's up, niggas?
2011 is the first blizzard I've ever been in my entire life.
Oh shit.
Yes, it's my first blizzard.
So you
and I'm 24. So I guess it's kind of good. But this what's up though. I don't gotta go to work. Right. I can walk in the middle of the street if I want to. Right. I'm good. That's what happens when Obama is in office. You have a black president. You walk in the middle of the road if you want to. That's exactly what I'm doing. Thank you, Obama. I'm walking in the middle of Roswell Road. Thank you, Michelle.
Hell yeah.
I appreciate y'all.
Get away with that cornery shit, huh?
Right.
Ain't no cars out here. It's crazy. Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, we the last niggas on Roswell Road. That's exactly what this is. The documentary. The documentary. Oh, our first car. Our first car tonight. Woo!
Hey!
Y'all just speaking puto.
You know you driving around in the ice with no insurance.
No.
You have insurance when you driving around in the ice.
Looking for that beer.
Got to have insurance.
Uh-oh. We got a Rico moment, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. He's doing what the law says don't do.
I just saw a wolf.
Public.
I just saw a wolf.
Public intoxication. I mean, public indecency exposure. Where you see a wolf at?
It was down there. It just like turned into those tiles.
A wolf?
Yeah, it looked like a wolf.
What, a snow wolf?
Oh, God, bro.
What, fool?
My piss made a hole in the snow.
Huh? White and yellow, white and yellow.
White and yellow, white and yellow.
You know what it is.
Verse 2. Get your camera phone. Listen to this track, bitch. Photogenic chain, man. Photographic memory. I can fuck your thing, but I don't fuck hoes in industry. Gucci Man LaFleur told I see you remember me. Remember me from TV. Turning on your TV. Hip hop police say they looking after me. How you looking after me?
tell us where we at.
We are in this plaza.
We were?
We're in this plaza.
Yeah, but what is this behind you?
Huh?
What is this?
What is that? Kroger?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at Kroger.
Look at the parking lot, folks.
Right. This is crazy.
It's ridiculous. I feel like I'm in Michigan. In Georgia and Michigan. Oh, 2 different letters. Oh, wow, look at that.
It's kind of pretty, though.
White and yellow.
Right.
Let's fly. Let's fly, folks. Hey! You bastard.
Give a nigga break, please. Ain't on refrigerator. Watches on the refrigerator. I'm rigid like a polo bear.
Oh, Facebook picture, nice photo.
Yeah, fool.
Hold on.
No!
Like a college boy, no I'm not a college boy. I am a so icy boy, I'm tatted like a biker boy. We are the so icy gang, tatted like a biker gang. Dread it up, wet it up, wet it up and bed it up. Bitch, you don't wanna bet, pull up in my Chevy vet. Nah, you ain't ready yet, wetter than your girl get. Don't see Bonner, don't see Shade, don't you wanna see the boy? See the boy, see the boy. Come and take a Polaroid, camera flash, I see your ass. Licking with your licking ass, so come and take a camera flash. Every game amazing, car game crazy. Gucci man a flare, what you tell me, see me say chase. When I hit the mall, it's a photo shoot. When I'm in the club, it's a photo shoot. Don't get your camera phone on, it's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot, girl. It's a photo shoot, girl. It's a photo shoot, girl. First 2, every time, get your camera phone. Listen to this track, bitch. Photogenic chain, man, photographic memory. I can fuck your thing, but I don't fuck hoes in industry. Gucci man LaFleur told I see you remember me from TV, turning on your TV. Hip-hop police say they looking after me. How you looking after me? You know I had a murder beat. Yeah, I got a murder beat. I'm just trying to get something to eat. Me and my little man squeeze, give a nigga break, please. Ain't on refrigerator, watches on the refrigerator. I'm rigid like a polo bear. Red carpet shouting and the paparazzi chasing me. How they gon' catch me? I'm riding.
We made it back. We made it back. I can't get over this. I'm gonna think over that hump, fool. Oh no, we gotta go through the gate. What are you doing? Hot chocolate? You know the code. Come on, dude. The Adventures of Bob Slay and Nigga Cassidy. Watch this. Open sesame. Watch it not open. I bet it's froze. Oh no, that's froze. Oh my god.
Hey, bro, get quick.
Oh my god. Oh shit. You down crazy ass. You almost had to close up in that bitch. I'll tell you damn colors. Get your old school skate on. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Now chop real smooth. Oh my god.
Oh, God.
Wait for that's my head.
Have your dinner, bitch. Throwing plates at this house.
Hey, you miss. Hey, you miss. Hey, you almost hit me, fool. That was the damn ice brick, fool. That's not safe.
Okay. Down ice brick.
Of course, throwing bricks out here, fool.
What the fuck are you finding these big ass pieces of snow?
That's just how they come off. Like, look.
Are your hands not froze?
My hands are froze. Shit.
I have a glove.
Look, you come over here with that ice brick, I'm gonna knock you down. I promise you I'm gonna knock you down in the snow. I'm gonna knock you down in the snow. Look, Corey, if you throw that ice brick, I'm gonna knock you down in the snow. Look, Corey. Look, Corey.
street runners, bitch.